Good evening again. Thank you for joining me this evening. Today we'll be turning a miniature bolt action pen with a Alumilite cast blank. I cast this myself off camera a couple days ago, and in memory of the COVID-19 that we're in the middle of right now, I had to do the toxic green swirl. Hope that focuses pretty well. As we turn this evening, would you join me? Thank you. We got the pen turned and assembled, and it's a little different with the ink refill. It's a little bit different. It's not the standard refill. However, this pen is actually a great memorandum of what we're in right now with the COVID-19. And let's just hope that everybody stays safe out there and is doing every safety protocol you possibly can. Stay safe, stay well, and let's kick COVID-19's tail.